In this video, we're going to learn how to use spot on cylinder functionality. For the purpose of demonstration, we're going to use this container model and create a spot on one of these handles. The first step would be to isolate the part of interest. And to do that, you can right click on the part, pick hide unselected parts, or simply punch I on your keyboard. Once you isolate the part of interest, you want to make sure there are cylindrical faces associated with the part. You can confirm that by simply right-clicking on the part and then pick Show Faces of type Cylinder. SimSolid did recognize 30 faces of this type and then highlights them on the screen. Once you confirm this, you can create a spot on cylinder by using the assembly workbench. Pick Create Spot, pick the fourth tab, and then pick the face of interest. You can create spots on either inner faces or outer faces. In this case, we're going to pick an outer cylindrical face. Pick a face of interest, and then you can move and position the spot accordingly. You can use your right mouse button to move the spot and position it accordingly. You can enter the width of interest, in this case 0.1 meters, and accept it. Once you do that, SimSolid does create a spot. You can just turn that on by using this icon here in the toolbar to show it in the display. These spots are also recorded in the project tree, and you can visualize them by right-clicking on the part and then picking Show in Project Tree. This will highlight the part of interest, and expanding it will also show you the spot. Thank you.